Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn and Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California. So, it's been raining really bad over the last 2 weeks where my plants got, well, a lot of water. We are now home. It is sunny. My training session got canceled because my trainer fell down the stairs. So, I'm home a little bit early than expected. So, I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to go ahead and reorganize the front of my house. All of the plants have just kind of been shifting around with no particular style or order. I'm gonna try to use already what I have in my patio and maybe bring out a shelf here in the front, since I have a lot of small babies in the front of my house, which is a lot of cacti and hardier plants like agaves. So after all of the planting my grandma and I did the other day with my new cacti babies, I wanted to go ahead and bring them out here, but with a hopefully better system than what I have now. So as you can see, I have this one bench here which I got thrifted a while ago, and it's just been housing a bunch of my little babies. But now that I have bigger pieces in my collection, I'm gonna reorganize it. So I think the game plan is my grandma and I are going to take all of this away just so that we can have the empty space here, and then we're gonna put one of the brick and board shelving units that we made at DIY, upcycled items. So it didn't cost me a thing to create these shelves in my patio. We're gonna bring a set of them out so I can have more shelving for my little babies, and we're just gonna go ahead and film it for you guys. Stay tuned for my end of the year plant tour. It's gonna be in a 4-part series. So we're basically just kind of getting my collection film ready to do the tour. So since my grandma's back with me, I have an extra hand. We're just getting my collection geared up to do the end of the year tour, which is going to be a 4-part series. So this is not a tour, but basically just giving you guys an insight of what it's like to kind of reorganize my collection as it grows, and definitely something that the front of my house needed. Now I have this greenhouse here and my bigger cacti pieces. So we're just gonna go ahead and undo everything here and then redo it, and hopefully have more babies out here and a better setup. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and also give this video a big thumbs up because I have the little munchkin back home, and she's been loving being able to be back home in her space. So let's get started. I have my apron on and I have my braids that my grandma did up, and I have my workout clothes, but I didn't get to work out because my trainer canceled on me. But we're gonna work out on the plants today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update of where we're at setting up the new outdoor plant section here. So this is what the current section looks like right now. We just undid everything that was currently in front of my house. I brought out one of the shelves that was on the left side of my patio. This is a DIY shelf. It didn't cost me anything. I had it for a while. It's not really getting a lot of use from where it's right now in the patio, so we're bringing it out for the little babies. And now my grandma and I are going to redo the whole styling in this front section. What we're going to do at my bench is put it back inside of my patio where this was, and then we'll go ahead and tackle the patio, reorganizing the babies in there on another day. So we're going to finish up this project right now, and Abby's hanging out with us. enjoyed today's video. I won't go ahead and detail on what I did to the front of my house. If you guys are interested in a tour collection video, it will come very soon. My grandma and I are gearing my space up for that. It's going to be a 4-part series. So if you want to see in detail what my collection looks like in the front of my house, stay tuned for that. It'll be part 1 of 4 parts for my 2018 end of the year plant tour, where I go ahead and show you everything that I have in my collection and where it's at for my Santa Monica collection, because I still have a plant collection in Las Vegas, and I'll probably do a video later on at the end of the month when I'm there talking about where my plants are in Las Vegas. They're definitely low maintenance plants. But also please support my vlog channel at Miss Jewelyn. I will be vlogging my travels on that particular channel. And I'm hoping and planning on visiting the botanical garden in Cairo, which I will feature on this channel. If you guys are interested in any of my fall or winter collection, you can go ahead and reach out to me on Planting with Jewelyn on Instagram to place your orders. I will go ahead and fulfill any plant orders, merchandise orders from now till January 7th and resume back on the 24th of January when my grandma and I are back from Egypt. If you guys are very curious on what the collection looks like restyled in the front of my home, stay tuned for the end of the year tour. I got so many fun videos to wrap up 2018 and I can't wait to share that with you guys. Today's episode very inspiring. It was definitely fun for me to go ahead and reorganize my plants because I'm constantly always working on them, but to be able to restyle them is really fun for me and it was very relaxing. So thank you, Grandma, so much for all of your help. It's something that I wanted to do with my grandma, so thank you, Grandma, so much for helping me recreate the front of my house with all these beautiful plant babies. Stay tuned. If you guys are interested in seeing what the front of my space looks like, you're gonna have to wait to my 4-part series. I'm gonna be doing the end of the year 2018 plant collection tour in a 4-part series. Part 1 will be the front of my house, so stay tuned for that. And we'll be doing giveaways at the end of each video of that 4-part series, which I'm really excited about. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever I do an upload. I've been really good at doing daily uploads. I'm not too sure how long it'll last, and I'm gonna try to pre-record and have everything up and ready to go while I'm away, so there's content flowing on my channel while I'm in Egypt. And I'll see you guys, I guess, tomorrow. Who knows where we'll be tomorrow. It is Friday and I am not going to Las Vegas this weekend, although I am working every day. So stay tuned for more Southern California content. Aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye.